Hi guys, welcome back to 375 Dance Studio. My name's Amanda and today we are going to be doing arm styling on our beginner cha-cha routine. If you haven't seen that video yet, we will link it above. Check it out first, learn the steps, then come back and learn the arm styling. I will be facing you guys so it's easier to see the arms. So we will be flipping it in mirror image. So every time I say use your right arm, it will be your right arm. Alrighty, so we are going to start with a basic step and we are going to use typical Latin arms. So we are going to start with our right arm open to the side. We're gonna switch to our left, switching to our right, and switching to our left. So as we do the chasse to the side, we're gonna stay open to our right. So we're gonna start with our right going out to the side and we go cha, 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 keeping our right arm open. As we step forward, our left arm is gonna open out to the side. And then when I step back, my right arm is gonna open back out to the side. And now, same thing to the other side, keeping my left arm open as I chasse to the left. And when I step back, right arm opens out to the side and then left arm opens out to the side. Okay, let's do this one time a little bit faster. So we have right, 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 left, right, left, 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 right, left. From here, we have a lockstep going forward. We are going to open our right arm to the side and right, right, right. From here, we do a forward walk, left arm, and now a forward walk turning, right arm opens to the side. And now we do a back lock step. Our left arm is gonna open up, left, left, left. And now we have right arm opens as we step back and left arm opens as we step forward. And now we're going to repeat the same thing again and right, 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 and left and right as we turn and back lock step, left, left, left. Okay, let's do that one time a little bit faster with our lock step going forward and right, 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 and left, and right, and left, 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 right, and left, and right, 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 left, and right, and left, left, left. From here, we are going to go into a New York. First, we're gonna step back. Our right arm is gonna open. We're gonna step forward. Our left arm is gonna open. Now we're gonna do our chasse to the side and we're gonna bring our arms in a crossed position. We're gonna open up to our New York. Our right arm is gonna open to the side and our left hand is gonna go onto our hip. So let's do that slowly. We're gonna go and open as we do that check position and we're gonna come back and again cross the arms in as we chasse to the left. And now we're gonna go into our hand to hand and again, left hand on the hip, right arm opens up to the side. And 2 and 3. Okay, let's repeat that again. We just finished, we're gonna replace back. We're gonna go back with our right foot and right arm is gonna open up to the side. Right and left and in, and right arm opens and in, and right arm opens again. Okay? And from here we have our spot turn. So we just finished our hand to hand. And as we're going into our spot turn, again, we're gonna cross those arms, cross, cross, cross. Our right hand is gonna go onto our hip as our left arm opens when we take that step forward with our left foot. So left foot, left arm opens to the side, and then we continue to turn, bring our arms in, and now we're gonna chasse to the left, keeping our arms in, in. Now we're gonna do the opposite. Left hand on our hip, right arm opens up as we turn. And right foot and right hand, 2, 3, and bring it back in, cha, cha, 1. Okay, let's do that with counts. So we just finished our hand to hand. Let's go into that spot turn and cha, cha, 1, left arm, cha, cha, 1, right arm, and cha, cha, 1. Alrighty, so we just learned our spot turn, and now we're going into our time step. From here, we're gonna bring our arms back in. We have a chasse to the right, cha, cha, cha. Now we're gonna open up our left arm as the left foot comes in, left arm, then we switch, right arm, and now we're gonna open up our left arm to the side as we chasse to the left, 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 and then we have right and left. Alrighty, so now we're gonna take it from that spot turn. We spot turned on 2, 3. We bring our arms in, cha, 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 left and right, left, 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 right and left. From here, we do it there and back. So we're gonna run backwards. As we run backwards, we're gonna bring our arms down. And now we're gonna open them up to the side when we take our last step back. Open it to the side. And now as we run forward, we're going to keep them open. And run, run, run. And from here, we're gonna step to the side and open up our right arm, bring our left arm in, and switch. And now we are back to the beginning, to our basic step. Our left arm is out and our right arm is ready to go for the chasse. Right, right, right. Alrighty, let's do our counts for our there and back. We just finished our time step with our left foot and left arm. We are going to run back, here we go, and cha, 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 2, 3, cha, 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 right, left, and back to the beginning, right, right, right. Alrighty guys, so now we did all these little sections. We're going to put them together with counts, and then after we are going to do it with slow music. Alrighty guys, let's prepare. Right arm is already open to the side, getting ready for the chasse. And 2, 3, cha, 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 2, 3, and back to the beginning. hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments below. Thanks for watching.